Hey girls, today I'm going to be showing you an effortless makeup tutorial. So first we're going to go in with the e.l.f. brow lift and we're going to slick these thin brows in place. And I love this brow lift because it's super cheap. Now we're going in with primer. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Blurring Primer. And as I apply this primer, you literally can see the blur taking place on my face. I just love this primer and everything it does for my skin. Now we're gonna go in with the House Labs foundation. This is actually my first time using this foundation, so you will see exactly how it's applied on my face. But we're just going to apply this foundation on my face, and I like to drag it down and then blend in once I have all the product that I'm going to be using on my skin. So we're just going to blend, 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 blend. And remember, this is something that you take your time with. Do not rush the blending process. In order for your makeup to come out nice and flawless, you have to take your time. Now we're going to go in with the House Labs concealer and we're going to apply that under our eyes. Basically all the areas that you would normally highlight on your face. I just like to go sides of my face, my nose, my bridge, my chin. Then we're going in with the Fenty contour stick, y'all. I love this contour stick. This just goes on so flawlessly. And we're going to blend our contour first. I just want y'all to see how this contour is like melting into my skin as that brush moves. I love, 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 love this contour stick. To warm up the concealer, I'm going to spray the NYX Face Glue setting spray on my face and then we're going to blend. Now, I recommend blending with a sponge like one of these triangle sponge, just because it blends so seamlessly, y'all. Like, trust me, it will literally change your life, especially if you have a hard time when it comes to blending your makeup. One of these sponge will do wonders, and I feel like it doesn't take up too much product, like it just place everything in place. So I recommend getting one of these sponge. To set my concealer, we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Setting Powder. This is in the shade Honey. And I normally set with that same triangular sponge and we press it into the skin. Sometimes I just rest it on top and just bake, or sometimes I press it into the skin. Today, I press it into the skin for some reason. And either way, I just love how this setting powder works. I love the finish that it gives me. I love, just overall, I love the setting powder. Now we're gonna get into eyebrows, and I'm going in with a regular beauty supply store pencil and just filling in my brow. My brows are very thin, so I don't have to do much. Now we're gonna go in with the same concealer that we used earlier, and we're just going to shape our brows. Blend that concealer out, and we're gonna do the same thing to the top and then do it to the next side. Contour powder, we're going in with the Juvia's Place contour. This is in the shade dark. I absolutely love this contour powder, y'all. It's so pigmented, it blends so well, so seamlessly, and we're going to apply this on all the areas that I like to contour on my face. Mascara, we're going in with the Essence Lash Princess mascara, and we are going to apply these on our top and our bottom lashes. I love this mascara. This is a drugstore mascara, and it's so good. It's time for lips. We're going in with a beauty supply store pencil, and we're just gonna line our lips. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Lingerie XXL lip pencil, y'all. This goes on so creamy and it's so matte. I just love me a matte lipstick. I believe this is in the shade Unhooked by NYX. Next up, we're going in with the NYX face glue, and we're going to set this makeup in place, and this is the final look. So cute, so happy.